and welcome back to my channel. My name is Dan Ruiz and this is my kitchen. If you're new to this channel, make sure you hit share, like, and subscribe and hit that notification bell for future videos. If you're a returning subscriber, appreciate your support. Today we're going to do guava and cheese pastelillos, also known as puff pastry. Let's get to it.
We're going to need 2 sticks of butter, as well as 2 cups of all-purpose flour, and 8 ounces of cream cheese, as well as 14 ounces of guava paste. Alright, we want to put our flour in our mixer, as well as 1 teaspoon of salt. We want to mix. Now we want to add half of our frozen butter cubes into our flour mix. We want to mix for a little bit, and then we also want to add some frozen water. Add the rest of our butter cubes into our flour mix. And mix until the dough comes together like so. We want to go ahead and prep the surface of where we're going to roll our dough. And we're going to add a little bit of flour into our hands, so when we're working with the dough it doesn't stick to our hands. We want to form the dough into a square, and then afterwards we want to roll our dough. We want to roll our dough and fold. You want to do as much folding as possible so you can build up those layers so your dough puffs up when you bake. After folding our dough, we want to set it in a Ziploc bag and then put it in the fridge for about 2 hours. Alright, let's go ahead and make our cream cheese filling. We're going to need our 8-ounce cream cheese. We're going to use our powdered sugar. We're also going to add a little bit of vanilla extract and some lime juice for that little citrusy flavor. And we're going to go ahead and mix. And so it looks like this. We want to roll out our dough. We want to cut 2 lines vertical and 1 line horizontal, making us 6 rectangles. I'm doing an egg wash around the sides of these rectangles, so when I place the top rectangle, it makes a nice seal. Let's go ahead and place our guava strips. They're a little sticky, but it works. Let's go ahead and put our made cream cheese. Now, you could fill it to your liking. I like to add 1 more strip of guava. And then I make these incisions so it allows it to breathe when it's baking. Let's go ahead and do a little egg wash on top of them so we get that golden brown.
Alright guys, the moment of truth. Guava and cheese pastelillos. Let's give this a try. See you on the next one.